Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. As you can see, cut small pieces of straw and paste them together and make the flower. Cut it from the sides and give it shape, and look, it's ready. Paste the pearl and stick, and look, your colorful flowers are ready. Let's make these beautiful flowers. As you can see, we're going to fold the wire and wrap it using this polythene. You can change the color, make more such flower petals and combine them together. The flowers are ready. Cover them using green floral tape and make a stick, and it's done. Cut the tip of the earbud and paste all of them together. You can also paste a pearl and color them yellow. Paste them on pebbles and it's ready. Look at these colorful flowers. Let's make them using tissue paper. As you can see, we're going to cut small pieces and fold them one after another. Now using this wire, we're going to tie it at the center. Color the tip using sketch pen. Open all the flower petals and look, it is ready. You can change the color as well and it's done. As you can see, we are going to remove the seeds and paste them together using hot glue gun. Keep adding more seeds and give it shape of flower and paste them on dry twig and it's ready. Cut a small piece of ribbon and fold it using fire. We're going to give it shape. Cut it from the tip and look, it's ready. So more such petals together using this thread and needle and look, it's ready. We're going to recycle this plastic bottle. Cut a circle and cut the flower petals using fire. Give it shape and paste it on the green stick. Look like this. Make more such flowers and look, it's ready. We're going to use this foam net and remove all the threads. Now paste it on the double-sided tape and further cut it into half using scissors. Cut it, and then we are going to use this yellow color of foam net as well and paste it on the green stick. Now roll it like this. Combine both of them. Now we are going to take this green color of crepe paper and cover it. And using double-sided tape, we are going to paste it on the green wire. Cut it and give it shape of the leaf. Look at the zigzag scissors. Cover it using green floral tape. Look how we're doing here, and put the leaves as well on the corners, and look, your stick is ready. Now we're going to bend the leaves and give shape to the flowers and cut the extra part of the foam net, and look, your beautiful flowers are ready. You can make more such flowers for home decoration. Thank you so much for watching this video.